What if I told you that in 2026, you don't need to know how to code, build software, or have thousands of dollars to start an online business? In fact, some people are charging local businesses hundreds or even thousands of dollars per month simply by helping them automate tasks using AI. And if you're serious about building an AI automation agency, I've included my recommended funnel building software in the description below. It's the same type of tool many agency owners use to capture leads, book appointments, and grow their businesses. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start an AI automation agency from scratch, even if you're a complete beginner. An AI automation agency helps businesses save time, reduce manual work, and generate more revenue through automation. For example, you can help businesses automatically respond to leads, schedule appointments, follow up with prospects, send emails and text messages, and even answer customer questions using AI-powered chatbots. The best part is that business owners don't care about the technology itself. They care about the results. The first step is choosing a niche. Don't try to help every type of business. Focus on one specific market. Some great examples include real estate agents, dentists, roofers, lawyers, insurance agents, and local service businesses. When you specialize, it becomes much easier to understand your clients' problems and offer solutions that actually help them. The second step is creating a simple AI automation solution. You don't need to be a programmer. Today, there are tools that allow you to build powerful automations without writing code. For example, you can create systems that automatically follow up with leads, answer common customer questions, send appointment reminders, and keep prospects engaged until they're ready to buy. Businesses love this because it saves them time and helps them avoid losing potential customers. The third step is building a simple sales funnel. A sales funnel is where potential clients learn about your services and book appointments with you. Instead of sending people to a complicated website, a funnel guides visitors through a simple process that encourages them to take action. You can create pages that explain your offer, collect contact information, and schedule consultations automatically. The fourth step is finding clients. Start by reaching out to local businesses. You can use email, LinkedIn, Facebook groups, or even direct messages. Keep your message simple. Show business owners how AI can save them time, improve customer communication, and help them generate more revenue. Most business owners are already interested in AI, but they don't know how to implement it themselves. That's where your service comes in. The fifth step is charging monthly retainers. Instead of charging once, many AI automation agencies charge monthly fees for managing and maintaining automations. For example, charging just $500 per month to 5 clients creates $2,500 in recurring monthly revenue. As you gain experience and deliver results, those numbers can grow significantly. The opportunity in 2026 is huge because businesses are actively looking for ways to automate repetitive tasks and improve efficiency. If you're ready to build your own AI automation agency, check out the ClickFunnels link in the description below. It's a tool that can help you create funnels, capture leads, and book appointments for your business. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more content on AI, online business, and digital entrepreneurship, and I'll see you in the next video.